would say that I worry about him when he's not able to go out in the rain, and he definitely notices it's raining. It can become a problem. He knows his best life is out in the rain, and it's hard to convince him otherwise, I would say. His escapades are endless. He will slurp up the rain and the mud for as long as you let him. He'll go in the pool. He'll find a new makeshift pool that's really not supposed to be there. He just loves the extra water. It's invigorating for him. And then getting him to come inside after he's been in the ring for a while, he's gotten the taste of the good life. It's like herding cats. Getting your ducks in a row, so to speak. It's tough.
Sugi, come on in, sweetie. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Sugar, where you going? Come on, sweetie. We gotta get you back inside. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Come on. Come on, honey.
I think he'll forgive me eventually.
My little sugar cup. I think you forgive me.